How to buy Force token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going, I'll buy this token. Make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 2 in the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget white for that. As you can see, now first of all, go to top right corner and click here and select the base network. After that, as you can see, click on this plus icon and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that risk, and if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now make sure to search for your token that you just added called Forced. Now after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. And after that, click on swap. Now switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Forced token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.